Hello, today my group and I will be talking about banking. Next battle is the paycheck. So how are paychecks unbundled? There are many ways in which a paycheck can be unbundled, and there are companies or apps that help people to do so. We chose 5 main ways in which consumers use these apps for, and the best companies out of these options, starting off with Payday Advance. It's a short-term loan the lender provides with high interest rates. The credit is based on the borrower's credit profile and their income, and it takes a portion of the borrower's next paycheck. So the company I chose is Earning, which is a startup founded in Palo Alto, California in 2012, and they base themselves as a cheap alternative to obtain payday loans. It allows users to take small amounts of their earned wages before the payday period. So the way this app works is by linking your bank account to your profile once it's created, depending on whether you're an hourly or a salaried worker. The app will require a photo of your daily timesheet, or the app will track your location, verifying that you went to work and earned those wages. The app allows $100 to be withdrawn a day and a maximum of $500. The money is then deducted as soon as the direct deposit hits. When requesting the loan and receiving it, there is an option of whether you want to tip for the service. This is how the company makes money on a tip-based system, tipping from $0 to $14, which is deducted the same time as the loan, and the company has no fees or interest rates.
Student loan is a type of loan designed for students to pay off tuition fees, supplies, and living expenses. Social Finance, commonly known as SoFi, is an American-based personal finance company founded in 2011 by some Stanford students. They focus on refinancing loans as well as offering student loans, personal loans, and mortgages. Basically, SoFi is not a bank account but a cash management account. It's one of the most popular options among students because of their low interest rates, great customer service, the ability to be able to choose how long you want your loan to be. Loans can start from $5,000 to $100,000 US. You don't need to have a perfect credit score to get a loan as well. The only problem is that they only service US citizens or residents. Ideally, banks and other fintech companies will work together, sharing resources, thus making it easier to keep up in the rapidly fluctuating world in the future.
Pre-tax spending. The pre-tax benefit is an account that you can sign up for through your employer and fund it through your payroll deduction. The funds in any pre-tax account can only be used for specific designated items, known as eligible expenses. The company I chose is Alice, founded in 2015, headquartered in New York City. Founders are Paul Barnes-Hoggett and Avi Karnami. Most employers of white-collar workers offer pre-tax spending benefit, but the low-income, middle-income, and part-time workers don't have those benefits. The employer must go through administrative obstacles to set all those accounts separately for each employee and account. Alice hides all those accounts and hooks into the payroll system of an employer, automatically tracks the pre-tax spending of the employee, and then deducts the spending from the payroll. Alice is free for the employees. The employer saves money through reduction in payroll tax matches. But Alice gets paid by invoicing the employer 50% of the saving that the software generates.
Direct deposit. Direct deposit is the electronic payment from one bank account to another. It's become well known because of its elimination of the risk of losing the physical check or the eliminations of the trip to the bank to make the deposit. The company best represented for this category would be Chime. Chime is the digital bank founded in 2013 in San Francisco. It is known for its technology-driven banking and easy-to-understand usage. The bank identifies millennials as its target customers. The bank offers checking accounts with an optional feature of automatically rounding up purchases and depositing the change into the saving accounts. Additionally, the bank provides the debit card by Visa, fee-free overdraft protections, and access to paychecks up to 2 days early. In 2019, Chime boasts a valuation of $5.8 billion after raising $500 million in its last round of fundraising. Chime concentrates to expand the company and create the products. Chime will hire more employees and open an office in Chicago. Also, the bank is planning for credit cards and investment service products. The bank's idea is to offer all traditional banking service but only a fraction of the cost.
How many people in the US live paycheck to paycheck? 4 out of 5 people in the US live paycheck to paycheck.
Hello, my name is Ronnie Tenesaka and I am going to explain payroll flexibility. Payroll flexibility is a topic that is very important across industries. Payroll flexibility allows employees to get their money after their hard work. Gusto is the company that we are analyzing in this category, as it is one that leads the market. Gusto makes it easy to onboard, pay, insure, and support your hardworking team. It is important for Gusto to understand their customers, and it all starts by understanding who are the people who can have access and who are the customers, and understanding what their customers want. 53% of smartphone users have at least one financial technology app downloaded into their smartphone. The financial technology market was worth $120 billion in 2018. The industry has 30% compound annual growth rate on forecasts from 2018 to 2025. This means that there is a huge market with a potential to keep growing. Customer demand helped companies like Gusto to innovate and satisfy customer needs. This application is very user-friendly and easy to learn, making it accessible for the target market. Gusto provides the financial freedom to employees by giving them the space to manage their own finances, adjusted to their own necessities. This is beneficial for Gusto as one of their secret ingredients is as well their alignment with their customer or company culture, which results in customer acquisitions or a higher customer acquisition rates. Their bundled service and tools are giving positive reviews. So customers are helping to spread out the word of the application and the convenience it represents in the market. Based on the research that we have done, we believe that banking's next battle, it is going to be the paycheck. This is due to the fact that there is a majority of people that are already choosing fintech instead of traditional banking. Financial technology has given so many resources and tools to people and employees and ordinary people that lack the specifications required by any traditional bank. This results in banks losing completely their possibility of growth. Therefore, we believe that the assumption that banking's next battle is the paycheck is true. We also believe that nowadays more generations are opting financial technology applications that are more user-friendly than any other traditional banking system.